Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, the president of the Jamaica Bobsleigh and Skeleton Federation says patience will be needed as they await the verdict of Jasmine Fenleta Victorian's failed drug test, which occurred prior to the 2018 Winter Olympic Games in Pyeongchang, South Korea. Simon Preston reports.
33-year-old driver Jasmine Fenleta Victorian, who helped Jamaica finish 19th of 20 teams at the Winter Olympics, is facing a 4-year suspension if found guilty by the International Bobsleigh and Skeleton Federation for using the banned drug clenbuterol. However, president of the Jamaica Bobsleigh and Skeleton Federation, Christian Stokes, is hopeful Fenleta Victorian will be cleared.
We are confident that we can demonstrate, and it can be independently verified, that it was contaminated ingestion, unintentional, and then we take it from there.
Despite the setback, Stokes still remains confident of progress in the sport in 2019.
We have a fantastic new athlete in driver in Carrie Russell, who has turned out to be a surprising find for the season going forward. Or just agree turned out to be a truly world-class skeleton athlete. So we have not delayed ourselves because of these challenges, because that is the nature of life. You know, sometimes you have to take a punch, sometimes it's a body blow, you get up and you keep going. That's the story of Jamaica Bobsleigh. So wait to see what is going to happen, but we have not delayed or detained ourselves with going forward.
Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.